Hello everyone, I'm Amit from Mail Smartly. Welcome to today's guide. Dive into an curated list of top tips and tricks for mastering the Microsoft Outlook calendar. Enhance your scheduling, stay organized, and make the most of every appointment. Hit that subscribe button and join us on this productivity journey. So let's get started. Tip number one, as we all know, when we create a new appointment or meeting, the time duration between the meeting is by default adjusted by Microsoft Outlook is 30 minutes. You can change it very easily according to your requirement. Simply go to the File tab, click on Options from the left navigation section. You will get Outlook Options dialog box. Here you have to select Calendar, and in the calendar options you will see default duration for new appointments and meeting, that is 30 minutes. You can click the drop down and you have four options: 1 hour, 1.5 hours, and 2 hours. You can very easily change the meeting or appointment duration by default from the backend setting of Microsoft Outlook. And even though if you want to increase the duration, you have to change it manually. Tip number two, how to color code your existing appointment or your existing meeting in your calendar using conditional formatting. You can see my calendar. I have few appointments like rent payment, school meetings. So I want to color code these appointments using conditional formatting. How I can do that? Simply go to the View tab. In the current view section, there is an option View Settings. Click on it. Advanced View Setting dialog box appears. You will see an option Conditional Formatting. Click on it. Here, Conditional Formatting. Here you have to create a new rule. Simply click Add. Name your rule. So I add rent because every month I have an appointment or I have a reminder of a rent. So I want to color the rent in my calendar. So I add the name rent. Now I have to select the color. I use green. Now here is the condition. So I have to click on this condition button, search for the word which is rent. Simply hit OK, hit OK. Again hit OK until it all closes. So you will see my rent is changing its color with the green color. So if I scroll my mouse, every month my rent is due on 7th and the color is changes automatically to green. Tip number three, default color setting in Outlook calendar. If you can see, the default color of my Outlook is light blue. You can change it very easily according to your requirement. Simply select any blank cell, click mouse right button, and here is an option color. You can see automatic, which is light blue, already set. You can change it according to your requirement. There are 9 options here. I select green. So you will see all the default colors are changed to green. Tip number 4, adding week numbers to the date navigator section. So simply go to the File tab. In the options, click on calendar. If you will scroll down, in the display option section, show week numbers in the month view and in the date navigator. Click on the checkbox and simply hit OK. Now you will see all the numbers, your week numbers are added in your calendar navigator. That means you can see week 33, 34, 35, 36 like this. And until the year completed, all the weeks are visible very clearly. Tip number 5, change Outlook calendar time scale. If you click on the work week view and you will see the time scale is 30 minutes. You can change it very easily. So first go to the View tab. In the Arrangement section, there is an option Time Scale. You will see 30 minutes is selected. You can change it according to your requirement. You can also change it to 1 hour, means 60 minutes. Tip number 6, if you are dealing with different colors, there is more comfortable if the theme is dark. So tip number 6 is dark mode. Simply go to the File tab. Under Office Accounts, you will see Office theme, which is white by default selected. You will see few options here. You can change it to dark gray or black. I will show you with the black. See, all the theme is changed to black. Go back and you will see it's look beautiful. Tip number 7, how to change the view of calendar with the specific dates. If you can see, by default there are few options over here. When you click on view, you can change with the day view, with the work week, with the week, month and schedule view. But in case you want to select a specific date, you can do it very easily. You can simply select the dates and using your control button. Like I have selected 2 October, 4th October, 17th October, 19th October, 30th October, say 7th November, 16th November, 21st and 30th November. These are dates I have selected manually using my control key, and these are all selected and show me the specific dates. Tip number 8 has to do what you are looking at. If you look, you will have only 1 month view here. You can very easily drag and expand the view and you will see 2 month calendar. If you further extend it, you will see 3, and if you again further extend it, you will see 4th. You can also expand from the down here and you will see at least 8 calendar on your screen. Tip number 9, if you want to work on your email as well as your calendar side by side, you can do that. Normally you can switch directly from here, from mail to calendar, but in case you want to work side by side, you have to first select your mail, select your calendar and click right mouse button, click open in a new window. So it will open on a new window and you can very easily adjust side by side like this. I hope you found this video useful, and if you have learned something new from these 9 tips and tricks of Outlook calendar, please let me know in the comment section. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.